Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Queen Cosmos. The Emoji Factory, how designers bring symbols to life. This is the topic of discussion in today's video. So you can see on the screen different emojis are there. So actually we are not talking about only emojis. Emojis are there, then letters in alphabets are there like A, B, C, D, F, G, H, numbers are there, different symbols are there. So how these things are actually created. And you can use on your digital devices like smartphones, laptops, computers, etc. So this is the topic of discussion in today's video. So first of all, what is done? An artist is required. Say for example, we are going to create a new emoji, Lord Shiva with his third eye open. Okay, this is the new emoji. Right now this is not being used by any of the digital devices and we are talking about this emoji. Okay, so we are talking about now this emoji. So an artist is required. He needs to draw this Lord Shiva's emoji, means Lord Shiva's sketch somewhere. Maybe it is a plain paper or something else, but that artist must draw the sketch somewhere with maximum accuracy. Accuracy is required. This is known to you. You have the idea. So now the drawing is finished. Okay, he has finished his drawing. The sketch is ready, but this is not in digital form. The sketch is ready on paper. Now, softwares like Adobe Illustrators, then Inkscape, these are vector-based softwares. These softwares are used to capture that image, which was available on the plain paper. So these softwares, these are vector-based softwares, mathematical formulas are used. Here, by using this software, actually, the sketch is there. Whether those are letters in an alphabet or emojis. So there are different lines, straight lines are there, curved lines are there, and everything is captured by this, by using mathematical formulas and this software. Everything is captured precisely. Because the same emoji people may use on a tiny device like WhatsApp. So if you are using a smartphone, then that emoji should appear very small. Okay, as compared to the giant billboards. So that means what? That means whether your device is small, means the screen size is small or big. If you capture all these things precisely, then in that case, what will happen? Clarity. You will get clarity of the image in any case, whether it is small or large. That's why precisely everything is done by using these softwares. This is the first step. Next step is a glyph is required. Glyph is what? For the font file, means letters in alphabet or emojis, same thing, glyph. This concept is used. Glyph is nothing but it is the font file, okay, or that emoji file which is linked to Unicode code point. So in the very beginning of this video, you have seen different emojis with different code points. Those code points were actually what? Unicode code points. So for this Lord Shiva, new emoji, okay, one Unicode code point should be assigned. That means the image of Lord Shiva should be mapped to a Unicode code point. And this is known as a glyph. Okay, this is known as a glyph. Now, when you are, and one more thing, different platforms are there like Android, Windows, Apple, okay. And according to different platforms, the same emoji may look somewhat different. Say they actually adjust some way. Anyway, that thing will be discussed in a separate video, but here I want to say that whenever you are using these emojis, almost these emojis will look almost same on any device. If there is a difference, that difference is very little. And how that difference is made, I will make a separate video for that thing. Okay, according to different platforms like Apple, Windows, Android, there may be a slight change. Anyway, so now you are using emojis are ready. Okay, now you are using emoji on your smartphone. Say for example, you are using smartphone. So whenever you are tapping that emoji, actually emoji is not kept inside your smartphone. Emoji is not kept. Whenever you are tapping that emoji, okay, that means you are actually linking the Unicode of that emoji. That way you are linking the Unicode of that emoji. It reads the font file where emojis are there. Okay, so it reads the font file and then it renders the glyph into pixels on your screen. So these things happen. So many steps are involved here. You can see. Starting point was where? Drawing of the emoji on a plain paper. That was the starting point. And the end point is where you can see the same emoji on your screen. And in between these two starting point and the end point, in between these 2 points, there are so many steps. There are so many steps. Okay. So anyway, you just keep in your mind that all these images, means these emojis, okay, whether these are emojis or alphabets or symbols or numbers, all are actually images. Okay, these images are linked to something which is called actually a Unicode code point. Numbers are assigned. Okay, different numbers. Numbers means here combination of digits and letters are there, English letters. Okay, anyway, so this way everything is done. And metaphorically we have given the we have made the title here Emoji Factory. Okay, this is metaphorical representation of the title, the Emoji Factory. Actually, this way emojis fonts everything. And you know that not only ABCD, different languages have different scripts. Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, so many thousands of languages are there, and for everything, this is the way. This is the way. First of all, say you are talking about a letter A, the first letter of the English alphabet. So first of all, you need to write that A somewhere, and then that drawing needs to be used this way, following all these steps. Then only you can use, or the end user can use the same thing on their devices. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.